If there's one golden advice which I can give to an MBA student or even an MBA aspirant, then it is this. Start blogging on one area, one specific area in which you want to build a career in. This is life-changing advice. I'll share with you my own story, because this will not only help you earn money during your MBA, this will give you great CV pointers which you could include in your resume, and also it will probably give you job offers even when your final placements would not have started. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Well, my story has been this only. When I was a first year student at IIM Udaipur, I started a blog of my own in the field of marketing. Now, the reason why I started my own blog was not about that, hey, I want to earn money or this and that. It was a very personal thing to me. I actually have a speech problem. I had a speech problem. I stammer a lot, and now over the years I've significantly improved it. And back then, when I was in my first year, my stammer was so much that in the classroom I do not remember a single day when I would have raised my hand and given an answer to any question. Now, because of this complex, because of this stress which was happening to me every day, that hey, I have so much to share in my head but I cannot speak, what should I do? One night I realized that okay, if you have so much knowledge to share in the field of marketing, then how about you start a blog and you can write well, so you just write something out. That very night, in the first year of IIM Udaipur in 2018, I started off this blog called Super Heuristics, and each week I used to ensure that I will write one article for sure. Over the next 6 months, here is what happened. My articles, they started to rank on the Google search engine. So now whenever worldwide somebody was searching for something, a concept in the field of marketing and sales, my articles used to show up. From there, entrepreneurs around the world started to approach me for freelancing assignments, that hey, can you help us with this thing? Because now they saw that hey, he's an MBA student from one of the good B schools of India, and probably he can help us for cheap. And their cheap is still very much for you, because you will be paid in US dollars and international currencies, which is what had happened with me. I started doing freelancing, I started earning during my MBA. Now, at the starting of my MBA, because of my stammer, I was very stressed that hey, how will I find a job? Which company will recruit me? That I was waitlist 700 during my MBA. Which company will take me? Well, here is what happened. Thanks to this blogging, thanks to the freelancing, what happened was that even when my final placements at IIM Udaipur had not started, I had 3 job offers from outside the campus, and obviously I took one of those job offers. These 3 job offers paid me much more than the average salary of IIM Udaipur back in the day. This entire story was important to tell you, because blogging you should not see only as blogging. There are broadly 3 or 4 things which you need to know about why you as an MBA student should blog. The reason number 1 for it is that it helps you really learn in a good way. Whatever concepts you learn in your classroom, you can come back to your hostel room and write about it. That instantly solidifies everything which you learn. The second reason is that when you run a blog or even a YouTube channel, how it helps you is that you should see it as a business of your own, which means whatever interesting things you are learning in your MBA classroom which help you build a organization, you can practice all of those things on your own website or on your own YouTube channel. You can learn things like market research, marketing, pricing, positioning. You can create products of your own, for example, ebooks and courses which you can sell, and around which you can practice all of your 4Ps and STP and everything, even finance, operations, everything. So whatever a company uses to use in order to grow itself, assume your blog to be your online organization which you will grow. The advantage number 3 of starting a blog is this thing, that it will help you get freelancing assignments, because whether you start a blog or a YouTube channel, you're basically creating the content for 2 big search engines. Google is the world's largest search engine where your articles will rank, whereas YouTube is the world's second largest search engine where your videos will rank. And by the way, your videos will also rank on the Google search engine. That is the advantage, that you will get instant visibility provided you write quality content. And I guarantee you as an MBA student have the knack to write good assignments, and it's just like writing another assignment but in a much more friendly way. And from there, the point number 4 is that it gives you CV points, which means the very fact that somebody is paying you for your skills, that shows that you genuinely have those skills. Also, it shows that you have the ability to sell. All of these things are very crucial for an MBA student. And from there, the final final and a bonus point number 5 is that it can help you get placed. If you're good with your work, if you can give good services around the world, they would want to hire you, because the more work you do for them, the more understanding which they have of your work, you would have more understanding of them, and it naturally builds a relationship wherein either they would directly offer you a job or you can ask for it, because now you have that kind of an equation. There is no downside of starting a blog or a YouTube channel. You as an MBA student should do. You can already see a lot of existing MBA students and even MBA graduates who graduated recently or years back. They're already on YouTube. They are influencers. They're doing the same thing. Therefore, you know the kind of impact which it will have for you. If you're somebody who wants to start this off, go down in the comments and let me know how do you want to start it. We can speak about it. I can help you, because this is what my story has been. Therefore, go ahead, start a blog or start a YouTube channel or both, and truly make most out of your MBA journey.